Diba? Grabe. Nakikilig talaga ako sa knowledge ba ng ating mga engines. Oo nga. They're so great. Ayan. So let's invite her on stage. Hi! What's your name? Eunice. Eunice.
Ate Eunice, ano yung sagot mo sa Hood 10 Hypen member who grew up with his grandmother?
Yang Jun mo.
Tama yung sagot!
Tama! Ayan. So with that, you get a prize. Okay, picture lang. Okay, dito ka muna. Siyempre, parang more exposure.
And Hypen member. So my sister siya. Wait lang, hindi pa tapos.
Wait lang!
So yung
Wait lang!
is umalis tong concert nila.
Sino ang Hypen member na iniwan sa concert?
Okay. Ayan. So pili mo tayo ng tatlo. Wala yung tatlo. Let's get 3. Ayan. 3. Yes, sister. Okay. Ayan. We have what? Okay. We'll get 3 muna. Ayan. Ito na isa. Ayan na siya. Ayan. Come here on stage. Ayan. So what we'll do, kapag hindi nasagot, we'll pass it to the other person. Kapag naman nasagot niya, we'll give the other question naman. Siyempre, sayang naman exposure, di ba? And then we request the previous winner to please join us here on stage. Siyempre, more exposure of your beautiful faces, di ba? Ayan, so let's ask our
Baby girl tayo dito.
Baby girl, so sino yun?
Tama!
Okay, tama. Congratulations, baby girl. Ayan, so you get your prize. Oh, next naman.
Johnny? Asawa na lang ni Jay. Okay. Asawa na lang. O, sige. Are you ready for your question?
Your question. Okay. So, pati mo na alam na to.
Alam na alam?
Alam na kaya? Who's this and Hypen member who loves eating honey? Sino ang Hypen member yung nakilig kumain ng honey kapag may stress siya or malungkot siya? Sino? Si Jay?
O, tama ba siya, Ate Jay?
Tama ang sagot niya.
Congratulations!
Get your prize.
Ayan. So, syempre naman, they all won. So, let's have a photo op with them naman. Okay? So, come here, please. Give your, tayo sa harap for the photo op. Those faces need some exposure, right? Ayan. Congratulations for the first 5 winners of our Guess That Hypen Member Day. Ayan.
Pero mahina! Na sila.
Okay. I really enjoy the energy of engines this time. Parang, grabe, iba talaga if you're in one place with the people the same interest. No? Ilang years na ba kayong engine? 2 years. I think 2 years. I think they debuted in 2020. Ikaw ilang years ka ni engine?
Island.
Sis Island pa. Oo naman.
Matagal na.
Oo, in fairness. And you know, it feels great to be surrounded with these amazing people, amazing engines, di ba? So what's your favorite song ba ni Enhypen? Go Big or Go Home. Oh, Go Big or Go Home. Or ikaw, what's your favorite song?
Siyempre yung team song ng engine. Shout out.
Oh, grabe. Marami na kayo nag-a-agree dyan. No? So, magdiwa mga parks sa Bayan. Ayan. How about you, Cyrene? Who's your bias?
Siyempre nasa headband ko, si Jake.
Oh, okay. Marami na nag-a-agree. Okay, so I think we're ready. So, ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes because we have prepared performances to be given to you by
Bakit?
Big teaser.
Yes, nasa taas. Nasa taas sa gilid. The title of the song, drum roll please. Mas mali pala, no?
Okay,
The
so
title of the song, here in SM Tarlac City.
wow, we're really going all out. I love the end.
Kuya, thank you very much. Alam ko yung kanta. Kanina kasi yung mga naglalaro dito, hindi ko talaga alam yung kanta. Pero yung alam ko.
Okay, so we're really excited to know your answer.
Pero mag-shakes muna po ako.
Okay. Nice, wow.
Okay. Ready ka ba? Okay. Diyos ko sa... The title of the song is Upside Dream! Ale, hindi tama. Ano po? Upper side dream. Mali.
Okay.
Hindi, may take 3.
Okay, we'll do a countdown. 5, 4, 3,
Up,
2,
up in the bar.
One.
The bird, the fly.
Hi, friend. Sorry.
Aww. Hindi, goodbye po. Yes.
Wait lang, yung una kasi nang isabi,
Upside dream. Ako lang.
may kulang.
Lagi na lang ako kulang ate. Kailan ako makinig ko? Ay, super proud ko eh. Magiging buo na ako.
Okay. Sorry. So we have 5. So we'll proceed with our game quiz. The guest that Enhypen song is. Okay, so may example ka ba tayo ng guest that Enhypen song? Ayan, may example. Wala kayo ginagawa. Sa medyo. So, Cyrene, so listen, happy participants, listen carefully to instructions. So here's a sample. Okay, so ganito po yung gagawin natin. Okay, so first, practice pa.
Pakakita namin sa inyo kung ano yung gagawin.
We bump it